Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a simple tropical makeup look like this one. Very simple. You don't have to use many colors for this look. Simple, glamorous, glowy, highlighted, dewy, all of that jazz. So you want to be glowy, you want to like blind these haters out there just like that. You already know how to do that. And actually I'm wearing contacts on. For those of you who don't know, my actual natural eyes are dark brown. These are just contacts. I love using contacts in general. Now I do want to put out there that most of this makeup look I've used the collection, the Jawbreaker collection, except for the mini breaker and this one. So these two I have not, like, I didn't use in the video, but for the most part I did use these. So if you guys want to know how to recreate this look, glamorous, tropical, glowing, blinding look, then please just keep on watching. So first things first, I do have powder under the eye just in case there's fallout. I'm gonna put my hair up. So now we're gonna go ahead and start off. I did put a poll on social media. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram. We're gonna be using the Jawbreaker palette. I'm pretty excited because I did get this as soon as it launched, but I didn't get the chance to record a video because again I was completely sick, but whatever. So these are the colors. So freaking beautiful, and we're gonna use multiple colors from this palette to create this eye look. Now I want you guys to see it up close. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see how does it look. Girlfriend, this is more like a tropical vibe, a tropical summer vibe, so I'm excited about that. And yes, don't mind me, my nails are chipping. I'm up for a manicure tomorrow, so I already booked my appointment just so I can get that done. And I also did get is the Brain Freeze palette, and it's the basically the highlighter palette. We're going to be using that on our high point of our cheeks. And I did get these two Supreme Frost. I'm using this one on the inner corner. That's why you see that bright dot there. Alright, so always put, if you're going to do your face first, which I always suggest to do this at the end of the video, like the face, not the end of the video, but once you're done with the eyes, just because if you get fallout, you could clean it out easily. But, I want to try new things, so here I am. So the first color that I'm going to use is bubblegum. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus this on the outer corner of the eye to the inner corner of the eye, circular motions like this. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and with the flat brush, we're going to be using Sick. Just like that. All over the lid, okay? Make sure you apply this all over the lid. Make sure it's like blended out as well. And then go back and blend out that bubblegum. Just like that. You see how simple that step is? Like, you only using two colors for that. Once you're done with that portion, we're going to go ahead and use a flat brush. I'm going to show you like which one. Like this one. And we're going to be using raspberry and licorice. So raspberry and then licorice. And we're gonna mix those two together. First raspberry and then licorice. And we're gonna basically apply like if we're putting an eyeliner. Like if you're creating an eyeliner look, an eyeliner technique. that's why I said a flat brush works best for this part of the eye. And this section, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna act like this is the eyeliner, and I'm gonna bring it down just like that. Now again, you can leave it like that if you want to and then pop a lash, but in my case I'm gonna go ahead and make it more just like that, because we want to make this as our eyeliner, you know. Ooh, just like that. So I get it, you're like, what are we gonna do? How am I gonna clean that underneath the eye? Girl, I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. I got you. So we're gonna be using something like this. People tend to go with like concealer, but me personally, if I'm going with powder, girl, I ain't putting any cream or any form of liquid next to that. So I'm gonna be using a powder, and this is from Wet n Wild. And I'm just gonna let it sit there. Simple. That's all you gotta do. That's all you have to do. I'm gonna go back, create it a little bit more, you know, fix it up, fix whatever I need to fix. Eyeliner is cool, is done, Dulio, nice. So I'm gonna let it sit there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes now. These are the lashes that I'm using. Alright, so now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off any powder that I have underneath, since we don't need it anymore. So now that I wipe everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Wow. And that's gonna go under the eye. Yeah, so we're gonna use a pencil brush like this. And then we're gonna go in with a brush like this, angled flat brush. And we're gonna be using Tasty. And we're gonna get close to the lash line. Just like that. And we're gonna bring it up. Make sure like it blends in with that eyeshadow. And then we're gonna go back with that yellow, and we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Just like that. And then the final look is adding this beautiful, beautiful diamond wet Supreme Frost. Guys, like, can you just like, one moment, how blinding this is. Sorry if you guys hear my dog. Look at that. Swatch. We're gonna be using a detailed brush like this, very, very small and detailed, and we're gonna put this on the inner corner of the eye. Try to be extra careful just because this is like, it has glitter, so you could get like fallout, you know what I mean? So what I noticed with this is that you need to definitely dig, like not dig, but like try to like swipe and then grab whatever you have and then just apply it to the eye, just like that. Look at that. Amazing, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and add some mascara underneath. Yes. All right, so now for the lips, I'm gonna add some gloss because I personally love gloss, like in the summer, girl. And if you're wondering what lip liner am I wearing? I'm actually wearing Frenchie. Cool, right? Frenchie on my lips, and then the not the liquid, the gloss. There we go, the gloss. I'm gonna show you the second one that I have. This one is in Caramel Kiss. Girl, let me just show you the swatch for this one. Hallelujah. Like, what? That's beautiful. Like, beautiful color. By the way, thus far, this palette, you guys gotta get it. Amazing. Pigmented, creamy, rich, and look at that bling bling of a highlight in the inner corner. As you can see, there's a little bit of fallout, but it's okay, girlfriend. We could clean it out. There we go. Simple. Clean. Everything is clean. Oops, sorry. So then we're gonna go in with Brain Freeze, and we are going to be using Gold Breaker because of like the top. So I want to go ahead and use that one because I did see him swatch it. I fell in love with it. So let's see. Oh yeah, now it did. Girl, am I blinding you? Because I'm blinding myself. Crap. Please don't use that word at home. Please do not use that word at home. I'm going to put it on the nose. And right here. Ooh, girlfriend. What if I use a little bit of that cold shoulder right here and apply that like on the center of my lips? Let's see. Ooh, girlfriend, I think you just found your true love to highlight the lips. Look at that. Oh God. It looks beautiful. Oh my God. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is the finishing look. Wow. And by the way, do you guys want a skincare? Like, what am I using for my skincare? Because this is flawless because of my skincare regimens that I'm going through and doing at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Milani Make It Last. We want a trench, guys. All right. Oh yes, girlfriend. What I was talking about. Look at that highlight. Oh yeah. My little lobster antennas right here. I want to just say is that I just fell in love with this look completely, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it and recreate this look, because girl, let me just tell you, this look is bomb.com. I don't know who uses that, but I do. I'm like, I don't know who else uses that, but I know I still do. All right, so I hope you guys really enjoyed it and recreate it. Definitely try to get your hands on a couple of these products. If you can get your hands on this, girl, am I like blinding you when I do that? Get it, because it's so good. And also, like, honestly, just get everything because it's just so good. I definitely want to do another video just using this palette, because I know for some of you these colors I did not incorporate it into this look, but I could definitely try and do a look using these colors for you guys, for those of you that only purchased a mini breaker. I was actually thinking of getting just a mini breaker, but that bundle, girl, I was like, I just gotta get it. I just gotta get it. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I hope you like the trench, the summery vibe, the tropical summery dewy vibe on your skin. Don't forget to comment any other videos you would like to see. Subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. Woo woo. and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Recreate it. Tag me at makeup with Ixo, or at makeup_with_Ixo. I'm thinking of actually changing that and making it all into one, just so it's not complicated. But like, my name is so complicated, so you know what I mean. So yeah, and yes, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye. My hair, it's like, my hair is like, ooh la la from the front, like it's so business sexy, and it's a party in the back. Look. Like, it's so crazy. Oh my god, sis. It feels so good. It just feels good. So good.